Hello guys! Wow, look at this box. It looks like interesting. Let's check it out. What is this? Wow, many animals there. Oh, let's collect it all. Hey guys, let's pick it up. Wow, this is a lobster. Cool. Hey. Wow. The second animal. Seahorse. Cool, let's collect it here. Hey, what is this? Wow, this is a swan. Nice swan. Wow, hey guys, what is this? Wow, this is cuttlefish. So good. Hey, let's collect it again. Oh, this is a turtle. Cool. Wow. What is this? Oh, eating banana. Monkey. Yo. The monkey is so funny. Whoa. What is this, guys? Yo. This is a beetle. Oh, cool beetle. Let's check it out again. Ooh, wow, this is the biggest one. Dinosaur. Wow, a purple and blue dinosaur. Good one. Let's check it out. Hey. Wow, look at this. Oh, this is an octopus. Cool octopus, the yellow one. We have to collect the last one. Oh wow, this is a gold beetle. Wow, so cool. Look at these animals, guys. Wow.